Are you ready to take your videography skills to the next level? Get ready to capture your epic adventures in stunning detail with the new GoPro HERO12 Black. With its groundbreaking features, including HDR, high dynamic range 5.3K and 4K video, upgraded HyperSmooth 6.0 video stabilization, and an industry-leading 177 degrees field of view, this is the best hero camera GoPro has ever created. Welcome back to Next Coolest Gadgets, the channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. Dive into the world of the HERO12 Black and discover why it's the ultimate companion for adrenaline junkies and content creators alike. Let's get started. Are you tired of sacrificing image quality for action-packed shots? With the GoPro HERO12 Black, you don't have to compromise anymore. This incredible camera delivers mind-blowing 5.3K video resolution with 91% more detail than 4K. That means your footage will be ultra-sharp, incredibly vibrant, and bursting with life. Whether you're capturing extreme sports, scenic landscapes, or heartfelt moments, the HERO12 Black will blow you away with its exceptional visual clarity. Say goodbye to shaky and unstable footage. The GoPro HERO12 Black is equipped with HyperSmooth 6.0, the next-level video stabilization technology that will revolutionize the way you capture your experiences. No matter how intense the action gets or how rugged the terrain is, HyperSmooth 6.0 keeps your footage buttery smooth and rock solid. It's like having a professional camera crew with you every step of the way, ensuring your shots are always on point. Looking to capture the whole picture? The GoPro HERO12 Black offers an industry-leading 177 degrees field of view with the optional Max Lens Mod 2.0. This means you can capture stunning ultra-wide angle shots that make you feel like you're right in the middle of the action. Whether you're skiing down a mountain, riding a wave, or exploring a new city, the HERO12 Black ensures that nothing escapes your frame. Get ready to capture breathtaking perspectives like never before. Don't let water hold you back from capturing those unforgettable moments. The GoPro HERO12 Black is waterproof up to 33 feet without the need for any additional housing. Take it surfing, snorkeling, or even deep-sea diving. This camera is built to withstand any aquatic adventure you throw at it. It's time to dive into the depths and capture stunning underwater footage with the incredible durability of the HERO12 Black. Get ready to take your storytelling to new heights with the GoPro HERO12 Black's power tools. This suite of advanced features allows you to capture video and photos in unique and creative ways. Whether you want to capture stunning time lapses with interval photo mode or synchronize multiple HERO12 Black cameras for multi-camera editing with timecode sync, the HERO12 Black empowers your creativity like never before. It's time to let your imagination run wild and capture moments that will leave your audience in awe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Next Coolest Gadgets for more exciting tech reviews.